Now, when you try to load this particular website right now, you can actually see it says here, this site cannot be reached, right? Now, this particular website is one of those, or you can actually see other errors like this website is blocked, or you're blocked from accessing this particular website. But then when I come over here and turning this particular, application on, you can actually see that I'm going to quickly refresh this website right now. And on a refresh, automatically it has actually taken me over to this very page. What I want to do in this particular video today is to show you 3 different applications that would help you to access any restriction on any website. Now, these are not hacks basically, but then the applications that are already there for you to be able to create more of like a private encryption on accessing series of websites that you actually are restricted from accessing. Now, there are a couple of other huge perks with this application, especially when it comes to online security, but then I'm going to be sharing each of these applications with you right now, and also giving you exactly what you can actually do and even more with all of these websites. Now, 2 here are free, but 1 is actually not totally free, but then very affordable, and you can actually get more from it. Now, without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into this particular video, and all you need to do right now is to sit right back there and watch this particular content to the very end, so you can actually get all of the insight, all of the information that would help you to get on with this particular process. Now, if you have any question or concerns, please do well to drop in the comment section below so that I will answer every of your questions and your concerns. Now, the very first thing you can actually do right here is using what we call the Epic browser. So when we go over to epicbrowser.com, you can basically see that this is a privacy browser, and coming down here, they have applications for Windows, they have applications for Mac, so whichever OS you're using, you can easily download it. Now, you can also see that it has been certified 100% clean and virus and spyware and malware free, and all you need to do right now is to download to your desktop. And with this already downloaded right inside of here, I am going to quickly go ahead and open this up ASAP and drag it in. And once I have it inside of here, I'm going to go over to my application. Let me go to my application straight up and look out for Epic browser. Let me open it right here. Awesome. So once I click on it, it's going to open up, and next I'm going to see that I can open this browser right now. Now, once I already have this particular browser opened right here, I'm going to go ahead and type in the restricted website link. Let's say I'm actually going to be typing in Binance right now. I'm going to click on that, and once I type in Binance, you can see automatically that's opened up without any restriction right inside of here. Now, they actually use a particular technology that would allow you to be able to access a series of websites that are restricted based on a couple of encryption that they've actually done on here. You can also go ahead and try this on a couple of other websites that are being restricted, and you would see that it would also go through as well. Now, this particular browser, as you can see, is absolutely free, and you actually would not be paying any dime to get it at all. But the thing here is that you can actually access this particular browser via your desktop. So as you can see, it's showing you downloading and installing via Windows or Mac. I can't actually see any option to actually install via the mobile phone here, but then if there is, you check and let me know in the comment section below. Tell me if there is a mobile application for this particular browser or not. Now, the second application I'm going to be sharing with you guys right here also is one that allows you to bypass restrictions on any website at all. Now, this particular application actually does this by converting the website address into a series of IP numbers, and with this way, most times when there's a restriction, they usually block the website address, but then the IP is still available for access. All right, so imagine when it actually just replaces the website address with the IP numbers, and you are being granted this particular access, thereby bypassing the restriction on that particular website. Now, the cool thing here is the fact that with an application like this, you would not have any issues with any website that actually would ban you if you're using a VPN at all. And this is the website right here. You just want to go over to your browser and type 1.1.1.1, and when you type that inside of your browser, it's going to take you over to this particular page. Now, this is a Cloudflare 1.1.1.1, and this is the free app that makes your internet safer. Now, coming over here, you can see they have the App Store, they have the Google Play Store application you can download. They also have the macOS application, the Windows, and also the Linux application. And all you simply want to do is just to tap and you download this inside of your browser. Now, once you've been able to download this in your browser, you're going to be getting a couple of prompts here on your screen as you are actually, getting to install this particular application. But then at the top side, you're going to be seeing this icon, which when you click, you can actually, either connect or disconnect, right? But for me, I actually just want to access any website, and I'm just going to click on connect. Let me go ahead and connect it. And once I actually connect this particular application right here. I'm going to come over and I'll tap on the website. Again, this is the website that's been restricted, and once I tap on it, you're going to basically see that right now I have access. Right, I have access to this particular space right on here. But then, of all of these options I've actually shared with you guys right now, one of the coolest ways to actually access any restricted website, or you actually want to bypass a couple of restrictions, is by using a VPN. Now, a VPN actually helps you to do three major things. One is your privacy. A VPN actually encrypts your internet traffic, preventing ISPs, hackers, and other third parties from monitoring your online activities. So should in case somebody actually wants to monitor your online activities, or there's a hacker that's really expecting you to actually access that restricted website so that they can actually get to bug you, a VPN allows you to actually have that privacy. The second one here is the security. VPNs actually protect your data from being intercepted or tampered with while you're traveling over unsecured networks such as public Wi-Fi and hotspots. And the third one here is bypassing geo-blocks. Now, a VPN can also allow you to bypass a geographic restriction and access content that may be restricted in your own location. And this is where it even gets more sweeter, because what I'm going to do right now is to share with you guys access to a VPN that actually gives you all of this and even a whole lot much more, and gives you at a very, very affordable rate for any beginner at all. Now, this is the Ultra VPN, and you can access this VPN by simply using my link, franklinmanuel.com/Ultra VPN. Awesome. So once you actually click on this particular page right now, it's going to bring you over to this very page on here. You can see here that there's a limited offer for you to be able to access a VPN for just $1.99. Now, this is actually the cheapest offer you're going to be getting on any VPN at all, but the major thing here is the fact that it still would give you even much more features than all of those VPN you're going to be paying more for. Now, what you want to do next is to go over on the Ultra VPN website, and you want to click on get the deal. And once you're here, you clicked on get a deal. It's going to bring you over to this page where you want to simply register. Now, I actually would advise you jump on the 2-year plan, because the 2-year plan basically gives you more for less. Right? So you want to come over here, input your email address and enter your information, and you want to input your card number. Now, if you're in Nigeria where there's a restriction on a couple of cards, I will advise you use the Providus Platinum card, which allows you to make any international payments and you are good to go. You can also use the UBA $3 card. That will also work right on here. And then when the restriction on the Naira card for dollar payment will be removed, you can actually use this as a very good option for yourself. Or if you have PayPal funds, you can also just use your PayPal funds to pay for this ASAP. Now, once you've been able to achieve this, you want to go ahead and make payment of $47.76 right on here. Now, you're actually getting this and even many more because you're going to be using my link to jump on in here. And once you've actually been able to complete your payment, you can go ahead and download the app. And once you download the app on your desktop, you can proceed to log in. And I'm going to show you right away, because yes, this is what I currently use myself. And I have the app. This is the app right here, Ultra VPN. And once this app has been installed, you can see here, I can easily just click on the location I want to connect to. There are several locations on here available for you, but let's say I want to connect to this location right now. I'm going to go ahead right now and tap on it. And immediately the connection has been done and confirmed secure, I can actually go ahead and access any website at all, and I still get all of the features and perks with Ultra VPN. Now, this is actually one of my huge recommendations, and I most probably will believe that anybody looking at actually getting access to any website online would actually use this particular VPN like I've actually shared on here right now. Now, the links to all of these websites are going to be down there in the description, and like I said, if you have any question or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And at the same time, make sure to give this video a thumb up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, smash the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.